Welcome back. Let's do question 222. Factorize the following expression fully. We have to factorize this one. The numerator is the sum of two cubes because 1 is also 1 cubed. It's a cube number. So we can factorize the numerator. Remember that for the sum of two cubes, let's say we have x cubed plus y cubed. How do you factorize this expression? We cube root x cubed and y cubed to form our first bracket, and then we take this sign, we maintain the sign. So the cube root of x cubed is x, the cube root of y cubed is y, and then plus. That's our first bracket. Then the second bracket, we look at the first bracket, we square the first term, which is x squared, change sign, now it's now minus, and then we say first term times second term, x times y, which is xy, and then we square the last term, and it's always positive, so it's plus y squared. If it's difference of two cubes, x cubed minus y cubed, we form our first bracket. It's going to be minus because it's minus here, and then we square the first term, which is x squared, change sign, is now it's minus here, so it's going to be plus x times y, xy, and the last term is always positive, and then square the y is y squared. Okay, this is how we factorize the sum or difference of two cubes. So here we're going to have our first bracket, cube root of x cubed is x, then we maintain the sign is plus, cube root of 1 cubed is 1. Then second bracket, we square x squared, change sign is minus, and then x times 1 is x, and then plus, and then always plus this one, and then 1 squared is 1. Okay, we factorize the numerator, then over x squared minus x plus 1, then x squared minus x plus 1 divided by x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1.